Pudding's gnawing on Macy's chicken. Mmm, chicken.
Tasty, we're sharing a meal. Okay, please stop gnawing on my chicken. Stop gnawing on my... That's a big ass piece. Stop. America, this is Puddin' Tater. She likes big pieces of chicken that weigh as much as her.
Nothing weighs as much as her.
Shut up, she's tiny. No wonder she's probably starving. She probably didn't eat all day. Look how small she is.
Look at that fat kitty.
She is tiny.
How you
Show
get all that
Smiley.
ass in them jeans? Ooh,
Show
babe.
Smiley.
Smiley.
Look at Aunt Angel. Angel, look at this. She's gnawing on my chicken.
Cats like chicken.
Stop gnawing
What
on
do
my...
you expect?
Bitch. Stop. Seriously, stop. It's too much now. You are not a cheap... Oh, God, now she's choking to death. You are not a
That's
cheap
a
date.
nice angle. Very sexy.
Have a lighter. Okay, I'm done. I mean, really? This is just... No, stop.
It's like, well, you offered it, woman. Jeez.
I take my offer back. You're too cheap. You'll cheat on me like you did the first time. With that tuna. Okay, no, seriously, I'm done. My geek swag.